Welcome to part 3 of the world of astronomy, where we explore the different aspects of astronomy. Make sure to grab your snacks because this is about to be a fun one. Chapter 1. The planet that spins the fastest. Imagine relaxing on a Tuesday watching television and boom, you see a car race. You notice all of the cars are accelerating and wonder who's in the lead of the race. Similarly, every planet in the solar system spins, but have you ever wondered which planet spins the fastest? If you didn't know, it's the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. It actually takes Jupiter only 10 hours to rotate a full 360, while it takes Earth about 24 hours. But this question may rise to you. Why does Jupiter spin the fastest out of all planets? This is because Jupiter has the shortest day out of any planet of our solar system. A day on our Earth is 24 hours, and a day on Jupiter is about 10 hours, which means it rotates a full 360 in 10 hours, making it the fastest. We will stay on the topic of Jupiter, bringing up the next topic. Chapter 2. The Failed Star. We all know how gigantic Jupiter is. Because of this, you may even come up with a conclusion that it is a star. I mean, look at the sun. It's massive and it's a star. But as you go deeper down the rabbit hole, you realize it doesn't even work this way. You see, Jupiter is what we call a failed star. The reason for this circumstance is that it is not able to grow big enough to erupt. In more scientific terms, it does not have a sufficient quantity of mass to merge hydrogen into helium. Alright, here's where things get a little interesting. Upon doing research, there is recently something else that is even more of a failed star than Jupiter. I present to you Chapter 3. The true failed star. The brown dwarf. The brown dwarf is much more of a failed star than Jupiter because this substellar object has much more mass than gas giants like Jupiter, which we just talked about, and less mass than small stars. Having a lack of mass is the reason why brown dwarfs aren't stars, and because of this, they are not able to gain a large quantity of mass for nuclear fusion to occur. Alright, if you made it this far, we are now on our last chapter. I present to you Chapter 4. The longest time it takes for a planet to make one orbit around the Sun. This might sound unreal, but did you know that Neptune takes 165 Earth years to make one orbit around the Sun? Neptune orbits very slowly and it possesses an orbital speed of 3.37 miles per second. To put this into a better perspective of how slow this is compared to other planets, Mercury takes 88 Earth years to make one orbit, which is 29 miles per second. Well, you made it. You made it to the end of part 3. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, and what Astronomy with Harj always says, the universe is the gateway to unimaginable possibilities. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.